Hey everybody, my name is Dina Rico and I am the creative force behind the Creativity Cave. I wanted to spend a little time today talking to you about my Stampin' Up! Story. So today is like International Women's Day or Women Empowerment Day or something like that. And I thought, I've been thinking about doing this video for a while, but today is probably the day I need to do it. So to start, I'm gonna have to get my stamping lips on. This is a silly thing I started doing once before a Facebook Live. I go live every Monday on my business page, and I thought it was funny because I had forgotten to put my lipstick on before I went live. And of course, that's much better. So I thought it was funny I did it, and then it sort of became a thing. And now people know me as Dina Lipstick Rico, which I kind of both love and think is a little weird. But we'll go with it, so it's fine. So I've been a demonstrator for 19 years. I cannot even believe it's been this long. I started Stampin' Up! With the idea of becoming a demonstrator so that I could get a discount on my kit. I didn't even want to do anything. My husband was in graduate school. We had no money. We lived in the San Francisco Bay Area where the rent on our 2-bedroom apartment was actually more than the mortgage on the house I live in now. And I really didn't think I would do anything with Stampin' Up! So I bought this kit and I signed up with my sister. I say that because that's what I told my husband. That's not even a possibility to do, but of course, right after I signed up, my sister decided she wanted to sign up too. So she was my very first recruit, and it was such a fun thing for the two of us to do this together. I loved every minute of it. And she lived in Minnesota, by the way. That's why it's even funnier that we were going to do this together. Like, whatever. So I love that kind of part of my story. At any rate, I have had such incredible highs and a few lows in my business. When we lived in California, I did have just a few little customers that kind of helped me kind of squeak by and keep going. And then when we moved to Iowa, I thought I would probably have to give this up because, again, I didn't know anybody here. Like, literally, I knew no one. And I didn't think that I'd be able to keep going because we still didn't have any money. In fact, we were in debt when we moved here because of living in California. And I thought I'd give it up. So I started selling some of my old stamps so that I could keep buying new things. And then I happened to meet a person, my friend Julie, at the mall. And she invited me to her house because she liked to stamp with her friends every Wednesday. And would I be interested in coming? And like, literally, I'd never met this person. So I kind of believe that, actually, I 100% believe that she was put in my life on purpose, absolutely. And she invited me over, and I became very good friends with her and a couple other people that we got together each week, and they were my best friends, my first friends here in Iowa. In fact, we just celebrated Julie's birthday on Monday with lunch with another friend that got together each week, and it was just such wonderful people. And again, I really believe that Julie was put in my life along with my friend Susan, and all through stamping. And I know I'm gonna cry at some point in this video, but that's okay. So I have to say, I never anticipated the way Stampin' Up! Would change my life. I have had some incredible success with my business. I've worked really hard to build up my business. I have had highs, I've had lows, I've had everything in between. But I really believe Stampin' has gotten me through so many crazy things that have happened in my life. So I just wanted to share that with you today. And I think what I'm most proud of, and oh boy, here we go, is the last couple years I've really worked hard to build my online business. I used to do every single thing was face-to-face, all classes and workshops and clubs and everything that I did here in my house, one on face-to-face with people. And then things kind of changed a little bit. I had some personal crazy stuff happen in my life, so I changed things in my business a little bit to kind of accommodate my changing needs. And I have built myself a business that I'm so incredibly proud of. It's still crazy and chaotic, and I need a lot of help, and it's still, it is 100% my full-time job, but I'm so proud of what I've built up. And I have this amazing team, and this is where I'm really gonna cry. I have this amazing team of demonstrators that have signed up under me and have let me be their leader and their guide. And I recently had a challenge for each of them to do a Facebook Live video on our team page, which I know is very scary, especially if you've never done it before. And so each of these ladies has, sorry, one even said that she liked that I would be emotional. Oh, I'm always emotional. Anyway, each of them have talked about what they like about Stampin' Up! And what made them decide to join and all those things. And just listening to all that just is so amazing to think that they're part of this group that I've started. And I'm so honored and humbled and grateful for each of these people. And many of them just want their discount on their products. Some of them are trying to build a business. Some of them just are, I think, excited to be a part of our group. And I'm so grateful for every single one of those people. And I keep thinking to myself, what would life be like if I had never been introduced to Stampin' Up? And I can't even imagine that. I truly can't. It has blessed our family in so many ways. It's just truly amazing what it has done. But I think especially for me as a woman, I wanted to be a stay-at-home mom, and being a stay-at-home mom is really great until it's not. And it can be so hard, but having this thing that's mine has been incredible, and I'm so proud and honored that I get to do it, and grateful, oh my gosh, beyond grateful that I get to do this. And I think the thing that really put this in perspective is this fall I needed a new car, and I was able to purchase a car all on my own with my own cash in full. I think that's amazing. So I'm really proud of that. We've also been on so many trips together with my husband and my kids. They went on the Disney one because that one made sense for them to come on, but the rest is our getaway, our chance to get away and have a vacation to ourselves, which is always wonderful. So, but I just had to tell you about this. Like, Stampin' Up! Truly has just changed my life in so many wonderful, amazing ways. It has given me so much confidence. It has given me this creative outlet that truly has gotten me through some of the most challenging times of my life that I can't even imagine not having this for me here to get through these crazy times. And I am just so blessed to have met the most amazing people, and I continue to through my business. I've met like truly the most amazing friendships and people who needed somebody and I needed someone, and just such incredible encounters that just would not have been possible through Stampin' Up! So I just had to tell you about that. And of course, I love to stamp. Oh my gosh. So I hope if you have never seen me before, or maybe you've never watched any of my videos, please check them out. I am so passionate about teaching and sharing my love of stamping with others, and I think that shines through. And I'm also so grateful for all of the amazing people that continue to watch me and support me and enjoy what I do. And I truly am so grateful to be able to do this crazy job that I have, and it's because of the people who watch. And so thank you for every person who is involved in my business, whether you're on my team, you're a customer, you're a follower, you're a supporter, whomever you are and however you fit in. I'm so glad you're here, and I would love to welcome you as part of this crazy adventure. If you would like more information about Stampin' Up!, whether you'd like to be a customer, whether you'd like to sign up to become a demonstrator, whether you want to run a business or just get a discount on your stamping supplies, I would love to help you out. Please feel free to contact me. All of my information will be in the description of this video, so just click below and you can see it all. Thank you so much for being a part of all of this and watching my video, and I hope to inspire you and welcome you to be a part of my Creativity Cave business and group of Stampin' Up! Demonstrators. We're called A Little Piece of Art Stampers, and I have to leave you with a funny. So I thought A Little Piece of Art Stampers was a fabulous name, and then I was making my website, which was thecreativitycave.com/A Little Piece of Art Stampers. But when you smush A Little Piece of Art Stampers all into one word, you get A Little Piece of Fart Stampers. Yep, that's right. I can't change it because I kind of love that. So I would love to welcome you to our team. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Oh, and there's my son, Carl. Bye, everybody.